One more video here to fully explain that the main pump is not working and the backup pump is working. So if I raise this straight up, this pump doesn't activate. If I touch this here, then the backup pump activates, which also sends the alarm over here, although I have it turned off right now because it beeps all the time. I'll show you that again here. Turn the alarm back on. Again, this doesn't function. But if we touch here, then the backup pump starts working and the alarm goes off saying the backup pump's working, which is exactly how it's supposed to function if your main pump fails, which is what's going on here. So just wanted to clarify that for certain on the video. Thanks, bye.